activity. So I just want to make you recall. How many attributes were there in your Jadui Pitara? Any teacher? Come on, teachers. Wonderful teachers are here. So how many attributes were there in Jadui Pitara? For example, flashcards were there. Any other attribute you want to add on? Any teacher?
Indigenous toys.
Indigenous toys and puzzles. Puzzles, okay, great.
Charts were there, ma'am.
Cards were there. Dominoes.
Domino's cards were there. Domino's cards were there.
Dominoes
Storybooks.
cards were there. Charts were there.
Storybooks.
Storybooks. Wonderful.
Puzzles.
Puzzles.
Puzzles
Posters
were also there.
Lovely.
We can use puppets also.
Puppets as well. Yes, definitely. In toys, puppets also are there. Great. Blocks are also there. Lovely. Okay, so I believe you have gone through that warm-up as well. Now I'm showing you the activity. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to design a TLM for your classroom basically using these hints. So only 2 hints are there. Make sure teachers, I am giving you only 2 hints, though you had recalled all of them. I'm just giving you 2 hints, that is dominoes and flashcards. You have material with you. You have to design one quick short TLM for your classroom using these 2 hints. It can be for any lesson plan. आपका कोई भी lesson plan हो सकता है. For example, seasons, parts of the body. What you have to do, you have to design a TLM. But आपको सिर्फ ये 2 options मिले. आप इधर कोई डोमिनो बनाओगे या कोई फ्लैश कार्ड बनाओगे, and I will really feel happy अगर आप कोई डोमिनो बनाते हो, because domino is something which is on a other way round types. Otherwise flashcards तो हम सब बनाते हैं. So I'm really looking forward that we can design something using this dominoes so that we can add this dominoes part into our Jadui Pitara in the classroom. So let's start, teachers. You have material with you and let's design a domino for your classroom for any of your favorite lesson plan. आप अपना कोई भी लेसन प्लान क्विकली ले सकते हो और उससे रिलेटेड आप डोमिनोज बनाएंगे. वेरी गुड. फ्लैश कार्ड्स बनाते हैं. ऑब्वियसली वी यूज फ्लैश कार्ड्स ऑन डेली बेसिस. So try to make a domino. Okay, so I can see teachers are making. Awesome. Wonderful. So the idea behind it is that we can create a TLM for our Jadui Pitara. We can have a habit of creating so. Flashcard is an easy option, very easy one, even though we were using it from years. But the idea is how I can create a TLM using this dominoes one. So this is something which is really interesting. Okay, I can see wonderful teachers are putting efforts. Awesome. And I request all the teachers to please share a picture with your, a TLM post session. I will really appreciate. How many of you are trying dominoes? Any one of you who can give me thumbs up? Okay. Okay.
I'm trying.
Great. Okay, I can see. Great. Lovely. I can see everyone. Great. Okay, I can see Anjali ma'am, I can see Rupa ma'am, Mosmi, Anuradha ma'am, great. I can see few other teachers as well, though I am not able to see their names. Okay, I can see Jamuna ma'am, Salmi, great, awesome. If any teacher want to display already with the TLM, you can unmute yourself and you can start speaking. We have 1 more minute so that we can move on to our lesson plan content. So I believe it's done now. I'm giving thumbs up to all the wonderful teachers who are contributing for learning. This is how we give initiative to implement the things in the classroom. If we are learning, if we are trying, it means we are ready to opt them in our classroom. That is the main purpose behind it. Great. So any teacher who want to contribute? I think Rupa ma'am has done. Yes, Rupa ma'am. You want to contribute? Please unmute yourself and speak.
Hello, ma'am. I have made these dominoes.
Please.
Yeah, so I've made these dominoes of sorting colors.
Okay. This is for sorting colors. And you are using primary colors or secondary, ma'am?
Primary.
Primary colors. Great. So you are a which grade teacher, ma'am?
I'm grade 2's class teacher.
Okay. So this is for primary
Yes.
basically, right?
Yes.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Any other teacher who want to contribute? Okay. Deepjot Tiwari. Yes, ma'am. Please speak up.
I have prepared blends and digraphs dominoes.
Okay, interesting. Blends and diagrams. Can you make it near to the
Yes.
screen so that everyone can see? Interesting. Blends and diagrams dominoes. Okay, lovely. And how we can use them, ma'am, in the classroom?
They can prepare spellings out of them by using these blends and digraphs, like clamp, sting, and all those types of.
Lovely. So we can make a big size one and we can create
Yes.
CLMs in a big size so that when we take it
Yes.
outside that Jadui Pitara, then children will feel as if they get connected to these.
Yes.
Wonderful.
And they can frame. They can